But this is how we can create the form, and we can enable in the provisioning policies so that it will ask a number of details. So let me try one more time. It is working fine. Prism admin. So entitlement application is going to Prism. Let me remove his access. So the form is populating, getting popular, but it's a different from the one which we created. It's not populating, so I need to check why. So identity is in complete form. Now it's populating some different forms. I need to check why. Okay. But this is how it will be. That's the purpose. So we need some more info from user so that we can store those information in the application. So that is the reason we are creating form. So the concept is clear. Write partition drama. So just try to replicate in your system. If it is not working, just ask me, I'll explain. Okay. Yeah. I have to check why it's not getting populated. Can I ask other doubts? Yeah, sure, go ahead. Can you go to home, please? Yes. Okay. 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 It's different from. In case I have a user story. I should like that in my company when the employees leave and go there. I mean their identity should get deactivated, but their name is still showing active. Even though they're invalid, it is showing active. So in Identity Warehouse, the account is still active. Yes. Here the status is active and also in home page. We have like groups and all group membership and all. So there also, we can go there. Like, there will be email and all is still active. Okay. So you can disable in the lever event. In the lever event. If you want, you can go check today. Go to Lifecycle Events. Definitely there will be lever event which is active. It's that disable status is no, so you can open that lever event. Try to open the workflow. Workflow will be there. Definitely. In that workflow, it's not able to remove those access. The particular person access. Is it applicable for only one identity or for an entire identity? No, there are many identities. Then you have to deal with this workflow only. You might be getting some null value because of the reason the workflow is not able to disable the particular identity, particular people. If you want, you can check. You will be able to find those. All employee will be connected to some attribute, some department because of that. So you have to add those checkboxes as well. Null checkpoints. Null checkpoint. Is it clear? Pratish, what I'm saying? Yeah. And okay. So, according to different companies, they have different group membership and management page. Right. They will be configuring in the initial stage. Whenever they're going to implement Sailpoint, they will decide